Here's some really cool military jackets. A lot of the stuff seemed to be from the 70s and 80s era. There were a lot of Morse code keypads. One of them sold for like $200. Lots of cool vintage military plaques from the Wisconsin battleship and then the USS Enterprise. It was nice though. A lot of the stuff came with the original packaging, so it was easy to identify what it was. Everything seemed to be in pretty good condition. I listed everything for parts not working just to cover my butt.